Mr. Chef'ikal. Teed sellega kirja. It's worth the price. Yeah, sweetest shit time ever. I'm actually certified hiking instructor. Know a thing or two about, you know, how to behave in nature, especially in the wild areas. You see out there? There's a wild species right there. Right there. Very predictable species. Maybe a little bit dangerous. Hello, this is me, Kiku, and this is Ansu. And we decided to start making hiking vlogs and hiking videos. No, pane veel üks. Oh my god, look at this place. Nii clear, kui clear üldse saab olla. See. Värska vesi. Puhas. Eestimaine. Puhas. Hörppapoja. Aitäh metsavaimul ja metsavaimul. We going on a trip. Tšiki türka lähme teeme lõket ja chill-pill ja grill ja nagu äbadi. Mine metsa, davai. Vaata kui ilus see koht on. Laps jumal õnnes ju. Vikerkaar tuleb välja seda teie. Püha koht. Davai kirka lähme. Rock and roll bitch. Näitan enda mingi banaanikotiga. See on niisugune ürdne allikas. Vaata mis balance ratastega praegu on. Su ratas on ümber läinud ja mu ratas pole vastu vaati see kõred. Vaata seda. Metsamees. Rügne esi vanema pärandus. Kuhu miks sigivad siin ju? See need setted tulevad sealt üles. Suum on hea sinna. See on see, millest ma räägin. Mingi rainbow tuleb sealt teie alt välja ju. Issand jumal. Nagu esimest korda looduses ju. Tahaks kinni tüppi teha sealt. Mingi lamas ju. Tal on mingi uksekrigi on ju. Kirka ägad rääda. Ole vaid! Mida vittu? Sadul. That's what she said. Võiks kõvem olla. Mine puts. Tere on! Siit läheb. Ma jõuan kiiremini kui teie. Fast and Furious. Taga saab mul 2 kaupa. Mis on eriti legendaarne kohalt metsa alust. Tõesti. Oh, meie party place. Eyo. Destination. Näeb sitaks ilus välja, vaata, on ägedad täpid. Ära kahjusta elusaid puid. Jah, ongi noh. Oh, keegi meile spuuli siia jätnud ju. Vähe prauke. See on minu kulp. Ma mõtlesidki su rotti, lasi mul seal keldris teha. Oh, granaadot ju. Meie kulp, noh. Meie kulp. Tule algatas. See on mingi siidripudeli oma ju. Ei ole joodi. Ja, ega seda need vanad joodid ka ütlevad. Mingi prügikast ju. Mida? Sai. Ma näitan, mis mul on. Oh. Ma selle taga, ma mõtlesin selle kaasa. Oh, see ongi pann selle jaoks ju. Ja siis nagu, see on täpselt selle jaoks. Kuidas sa teed sellega, Kirke? See on nii väike. See on mingi käesuurune. Järva valla lehe tõmbab lõkkasse. Eks ju. Sa oled kallis. Me siis. Ansu, mis sai enda legendaarne tiku hoidmissee, vaata. nagu teen selle lahti, onju. Siis siin sees on hästi palju tikke ja siin on nagu niimoodi, ma võtan siit selle ja siis tõmban niimoodi.
Aga teab mis või?
Tahad ikka mu Nescafe tikku. Olla vanen Toomas Tammikku kõne eest.
Kuna jumala hästi saaks hakkama ju. Emme ütles mulle, et ma ei saaks hakkama elust, aga jumala hästi seal hakkama ju.
Jaa, Kirkega valin Norra ilmselt.
Ma räägin, võiks mingi terve suve lihtsalt telkida lihtsalt. Obadi atsna. Tule, ma räägin, vaata kui kaani tuli tule.
Siis tuleb puhkuda siia vaata.
Kirke vana matkavend ju.
Kirke on üleval, selle jaoks tuleb alati tähistada.
Sõgg.
Davai, ma olen vett tooma. Oh damn. Ilus koht, võtame vett siit. Fresh water. Water. Kuidas see on? See on siis meie matkakoht siin. Yeah. Lõkke saime ilusti püst. Ja nüüd teeme teed. Ja siis kerge cooking. Kerge toidud. Alright, come here. I hope this video is an inspiration for you to go outdoors and have some fun with your buddies or alone if you don't have friends, you know. Don't take it personally. I was talking about myself. Because I don't have friends, I have best friends. Because they are our best. So, this will go into our little cup of tea later. Anyway! Beautiful. So this is our meal today. Here we have some boiled water for
tea.
Yeah, tea. This is hummus. Some green smoothie made of pesto and, you know, other stuff. Cucumber, rucola, cabbage. Very tasty. And turtle later on.
We're gonna eat this.
It's our little vegan meal.
We forgot our knives and forks, so yeah. So we have a little chopsticks. Tasty.
What the fuck is this? Yeah, it's actually really good. It's spicy, you know, with chili. And then we put some cabbage and cucumber here. Like to make a little wrap. Rucola, some pesto, green smoothie. Oh my god. Anyways, it's actually really good. And then you press it. Show me how you do this.
Yeah.
Angelica is gonna drink her tea.
Naera! Good soup.
Good soup. It's really good.
This is some good shit. See ma suu mulle.
Believe me, it's actually really good.
Oh yeah. Oh, we're just hungry. I don't know.
See viib keele alla. How we say in Estonian. We swallow our tongue here. Tongues. hääled mu peas. I don't know what's going on. We have no, you know, the base of how to, like, behave, you know. The power of nature makes you happy. Mr. SUBcRIBinG. How to make it. And now it's ready to consume. Näppiga. Käest ära läks, me pidime mingi ilusa vlogi, ilusa hiking, beautiful vibe video tegema, onju. Young lady, your behavior is unwell. Ma lihtsalt lükkasin vaata sinna rohkem peale selle.
Vana meister ise.
I'm actually certified hiking instructor and I know a thing or two about, you know, wild and also how to survive, how to behave in nature, especially in the wild areas. You see out there? You see out there? Out there is a wild species right there. You know, you can actually predict her motions. You are. This is a very predictable species, even though it may be a little bit dangerous. Mine jookse seal kuskil taga. But you see. It's going. I guess it's a female. This is the free master bathroom that is included with the master bedroom. Damn. It's worth the price. Imagine when you sit here and you just what you see here. Worth it. Gonna be the sweetest shit time ever. Yeah. And every time you go to the bathroom, you see this. It's free. Where do you see this kind of luxury? Nowhere else. Come to
The forest toilet.
the forest. To the Norra.
I mean, this is just amazing. Our fire is out and now we are ready to go back home. So we're packing because it's starting to get a little bit cold. So we decided to actually like hit the road.
Tunned siuke puhas vesi tuleb sealt. Ja seda on nii palju sealt.
We hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more. Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more. And surrounded with water. Pure, cold, just melted fresh water of the spring.
Fresh water.
Springtime water. Sorry.
Meil ei olnud padua, mul oli water.
A pot of water.
A pot of water.
A pot of water.
Like and subscribe us. Take your buddies out and enjoy the fresh air. Be humble, and
Yeah. Stay wild, stay happy, stay epic.
be safe. Okay, and don't vandalize the nature. Don't break the branches and
Don't throw trash on the ground. Don't cut living trees. And yeah, just behave well.
behave respectfully in nature.
Show love to nature.
Yeah, and enjoy. Subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the like button or dislike button, it's your choice. And share the video with your and share the video with your grandma or your cat or your friends, your hiking buddies,
Your annoying neighbor.
yeah. And I hope this video is an inspiration for you to go outdoors and have some fun. Where should our next destination be?
Comment down below.
Comment down below. And of course, if you like this video, then give a subscribe and hit the like button. Dislike also counts as like button. If you
Struggle.
my brain is exploding right now.
Yeah.
Hello, cat!
This
place is really beautiful.
It's really peaceful, dude. Like, oh my god.
Yeah, look at this.
Our little pot is there.
Anyways, what the fuck is? I was thinking about change the channel name to the Kiku and Ansu vlogs. But it's like already Kiku Freedom, so it's kind of good vibe, check it out.